Good morning, ma'am. I am Abdul Sidan of RMD Engineering College ECA section. Today I am here to explain about my ED mini project 4, which is about zener diode characteristics. So here first of all I am selecting zener diode line regulator and I am making the values as constant. Here I am keeping the RS2 value as constant and I will vary the DC voltage now. Now I will vary the DC voltages and add the values to the table. So these are the values and now I'll give one plot so that will display me the graph. So that's all. And now zener diode line regulator. Here I have to connect the zener diode line regulator. Each points I have to connect by looking at the instructions they are given. So I have connected the line and now I have to give one check connection and it will say okay if it is correct. And now I will make the values as constant and vary the DC voltage and add the values to the table. So I am adding the values. And finally I will click on plot to get the graph. Yeah, this is the graph. Now I will do zener diode load regulator. Here I am keeping everything as constant, even DC voltage as constant. I will change the resistance values and I will keep adding the values by clicking add to table. And same way I will click on plot the graph and I will get the graph too. I added the values and I got the graph. So this is the graph for the load regulator. And I am going to do the zener diode load regulator by connecting the wires. Here by checking the instructions I am connecting the wires. So I have given check connection and it's all okay. And here I will keep the DC voltage, zener diode voltage and resistance as constant. And I will keep varying the RS2 value resistance and keep adding the values to the add to table option. And I will get different values. Now I will click on plot to get the graph for this. So this is the graph for this. You can see a linear line. Now I will do for the zener characteristic. Here I will choose the diode and I will keep changing the resistance values and add to table option and I will get different values for this. Now I will click on plot to get the graph. So this is the graph for zener characteristics. Thank you.